Tesla 500 kilowatts V4 superchargers are here. Tesla has started rolling out V4 cabinets, which enable charging speeds of up to 500 kilowatts at superchargers. They will only support Teslas initially, but the automaker said support for non-Tesla EVs is coming soon. The majority of Tesla superchargers are capped at 250 kilowatts currently, whereas rival networks are deploying more high-powered stations. Tesla's first ultra-fast supercharger went online in Redwood City, California, on Monday. The new hardware supports charging speeds of up to 500 kilowatts, cutting charge times, easing congestion, and making long EV trips far more convenient for drivers. The Tesla supercharger network is already the largest and most reliable DC fast charging network in the USA, however. The vast majority of superchargers offer a maximum output of 250 kilowatts. A growing number of EVs, especially those with 800-volt architecture, such as the Tesla Cybertruck, Lucid Gravity, and Hyundai Ioniq 9, can accept faster charging speeds. Other charging networks, such as Electrify America, Iona, and Charge Point, have also been rolling out chargers with 350 to 400 kilowatt speeds. Tesla has been installing its sleeker V4 stalls with longer cables and a fresh design, but many were still tethered to older V3 cabinets capped at 250 kW. The Cybertruck could squeeze 325 kilowatts from them, but hitting its full 500 kilowatts potential required new V4 cabinets. These are now finally arriving, delivering up to 500 kilowatts for light-duty EVs and a staggering 1.2 megawatts for the Semi. The V4 cabinets support vehicle architectures from 400 volts to 1000 volts, so everything from your Chevy Equinox EV to the Lucid Gravity should be able to charge at these stations. Cybertruck owners can expect around 30% faster charging, while Model 3, Model S, Model X, and Model Y drivers won't see a change. Those vehicles still ride on 400-volt architectures, which limits their speed to 250 kilowatts. That is still good for roughly 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes of charging. Tesla says the new cabinets use upgraded power electronics designed to be the most reliable on the planet. However, only Teslas can use the superchargers with V4 cabinets, at least as of launch. Tesla said non-Tesla EVs will get access in the fourth quarter, once final engineering checks are complete. And given Tesla's pace of supercharger deployment, widespread 500 kilowatts chargers may not be far off. This may seem like a small development, but it could mark a turning point for charging in America. Tesla superchargers are everywhere. Now imagine ubiquitous 500 kilowatt stalls in each neighborhood, which can support all EVs. That's exactly the kind of revolution the USA would need to accelerate EV adoption in a post-tax credit world. Source: reposted and summarized from Suvrat Kothari at insideevs.